Chelsea Heights resident Sarah Smith visit the local community garden for one good reason.
Basically, just um, know what I'm eating, and that contributes to a healthier lifestyle for me. It also means I can get out of the house with my son, and we can go down on our bikes to the garden and just participate in getting our hands dirty and being part of the process of growing our food.
She's one of an increasing number of members flocking into Melbourne's Grow Your Own Food culture. RMIT University Wellness Practices and Perspectives course coordinator Lisa Ott says there is ample reason why people are beginning to grow their own food.
Okay, so I guess some of the key things are that you're eating food that's just been picked, so it's really vital and it hasn't been in transport or storage for a long period of time where the nutrients might have started to diminish. So that's a great thing about consuming food that you've actually grown yourself.
More than 50 households are involved in community gardening in Chelsea Heights last year, and numbers are on the increase. Community garden is an important part of the suburb's appeal. But while fresh food may be available in Melbourne's southeast, Ms. Oates also cautioned the use of contaminated soil in gardens.
Without sort of really thinking about what might have happened to that soil in the past. So, often building rubble has been buried in the back garden, or all sorts of things might have happened in that space over a period of years. And so it's really wise if you're actually going to plant into the soil to actually have the soil tested, because otherwise there could be some contaminants in that soil.
Nutrition and health writer Dr. Tim Crow from the Dietitians Associations of Australia says community gardening is beneficial for an individualistic society like Australia.
If we look at cultures around the world that have long, healthy lives, a common characteristic is that they eat a lot with friends and families. It's a very strong social environment. So food is one way to give us that strong social connection, which we are losing in a country like Australia. We have about 1 in 4 people actually live alone now, and it's growing. So preparing food with people, growing food with people just gets more connection with your community.
Dr. Krause says government needs to invest in community gardens to promote healthy lifestyle, but it will take time.
Certainly from a government perspective or a local government perspective, to be funding these community gardens more, to be making space available more, should be a strong priority. So at the moment we have very limited funds and very limited awareness of these community gardens. So we certainly could do with a lot more occurring in Melbourne.
Diana Pratiwi reporting for Mojo.